tapos na ako nag-workout and ang aking breakfast for today won't be heavy. It's just Milo. Mainit na Milo. And tinapay, which calories were 188. Siguro mamaya na lang. Or snack kasi para maano yung aking brain para hindi malusaw habang nag-memorize at nag-practice. Hi guys, pauwi na ako. Galing hindi ko pala na-film kaganina kung ano yung ginawa ko during sa school. Well, nagpa-practice lang kami for motherboard. Kasi may activity yun. And kailangan namin i-practice yun in order na hindi kami mag-stutter pagdating din sa recitation. Recitation na rin siya, pero kailangan namin i-memorize at i-practice. So, yun. That's all. I hope you like and subscribe my videos for more, for more videos na mapaparating, which is useful. School. Yun lang, guys. Bye-bye!